Good morning! Oh my goodness, it's too early but I'm sweating now since today we are going to Poland. And then of course, if you are new to my channel, my name is Jarly. Lily is here, Mati is here. How are you? So today you need to say thank you to Ate Wina. Go say thank you na. Because you know we're very busy later. We don't have time to say thank you. Go. Say thank you, Ate Wina.
Thank you, our baby.
Go to Ate Wina and say thank you.
Thank you, Ate Wina. You're welcome.
A kiss and hug.
Be a good boy, okay? Okay.
You too. You go to Ate Wina and you say thank you.
Bye-bye.
See you soon.
I'm gonna miss you.
Ate Wina say, I will miss you.
Miss you. I'm gonna miss you. Be careful, okay? 1, 2. Be good girl.
Be good girl daw. Okay, gusto na junod man niya ni si. So guys, kagabi pa talaga kami nag-start mag-empake or last day pa talaga kami nag-empake ni Wina. And then ito na nga, hindi pa kami matapos-tapos sa aming pag-empake dahil nga yung ating mga gamit like mga printer, computer, i-transfer natin sa ibang bahay. And then finally is na okay na. Yung atin na lang kukunin dito is yung ating mga gamit para lilipad mamaya. ID, where is my ID? Para baka maiwan na naman yung ID ko but hindi ako makapasok doon sa Poland. Sad at the same time is masaya din kasi nga makapag-aral na si Mati at saka si Lily pagbalik namin sa Poland. And sad because may iwan natin yung Pilipinas at maganda na sana is nakikita natin yung progress ng pinapagawa natin dito but wala tayong choice kasi nga kailangan natin yung ganitong setup, yung balik dito pohon, balik na naman sa Poland dahil marami tayong kailangan tapusin. So, Mati is here guys. Tata is nandoon sa naghatid na ng mga gamit. And then kami ay magpa-finalize na. When? Wala na tayo laing pang dadon? Lubi. Lubi na lang. May isa pa tayong lubi na naiwan. Then this is our luggage, the 3 luggage. Dito ko na lang nilagay yung mga ng mga bato. Milk para mabilis akong maka-access ba. Milk and diaper. Ano pa? Of course, camera para meron tayong update once in a while. Mag-video pag hindi ma-stress. And then Wina, si Wina din na. Uuwi na ngayon. Thank you, Wina. Thank you for staying until our last day.
Thank you also.
And send regards to my brother and greetings to Hannah.
Thank you.
Yeah, you have a lot of gift to Hannah. Yeah? You have a lot of gift.
Thank you, Lily. Thank you.
Nag-baby siya. Okay, we'll try kung kaya pa ba siya nating ilagay dito. So, ilagay natin muna, guys. Hello. Yeah.
That's one that only heat.
Where you going?
It's the plus of this. You have smoke from this, but from mine, you don't have smoke. Careful. Right.
Mati.
Hi.
You okay?
We don't need
Take a
hurry.
picture.
We have 2 hours, 18 minutes.
Mama.
I will always get extra time if accident or something.
My ID. I have my ID.
Passport and everything.
My passport.
If someone not stolen, I'm scared. Everything you have. Only passport. Credit card.
Hello guys! Welcome back! Lily is here. Nilagay ko siya sa sa baby carrier kasi nga marami kaming bit-bit na naman, no? Pabalik na tayo. Nandito tayo sa ngayon sa Manila. Dito yung first stopover namin. Tata is there and si Mate may backpack rin. Ayun.
Mama, ito yung gift.
Dami naming bit-bit. Hello po. Dalhin natin yung 7-Eleven eco bag doon sa Europe. Para marami tayo. natin yung ating luggage. So, belt number 2. Hello. So, sa atong follower, si Ma'am. We're in na iya, and then mag-connecting flight tayo after ng 6 hours. Hindi pa ko nakakain ng breakfast. Yung mga bata lang yung pinakain ko, and si Mati. And anyways, may baon kami guys, sandwich. Lagyan namin ng spam at saka butter si Mati. Mati, did you eat sandwich?
Yes, he eats sandwich, he eats the cookies.
Cookies.
He drink a lot
The
of
cookies too sweet.
whole bottle of water.
So, here's the Ganaea
Hi,
Airport.
chicks.
Look like. Can we eat Jollibee? We never eat Jollibee.
No, Jollibee's Bay. We eat McDonald's.
Yeah, I love McDonald's.
But I like her.
So, kunin natin yung ating tatlong luggage. Supposed to be, 4 na luggage yung dadalhin namin. But 3 lang yung dinala namin kasi kailangan namin Tingnan nyo naman yung mga bit-bit namin, oh. May backpack. And then, marami pang bit-bit. Kuha tayo ng Ayan. Paglagyan ng... Give it to Tata your backpack, love.
You want to give me backpack?
Ayan, nagdala ako ng mga jacket namin. Kasi nga, malamig pa ba sa Poland? I will go to toilet. Mati want to go make pee. Premium. Ayan. Dito na pala yung ating luggage. 3 luggage. And dami namin mga palakpak dito. And we are in number 2. So where are we going? Hello guys! We're in Qatar. So kanina pa kami nandito. Ngayon ako nakapag-vlog dahil nalubat yung camera ko. And then, this na tayo. Ito pala kami sa playground. Ito yung playground nila dito. Ang cute-cute. Come on, Mati! Bye, Mat! Bye! Yung batang hyper parang kompleto sa tulog. Wala pa namang tulog. So, we are in Qatar right now. And of course, hindi na naman ako nakatulog ng maayos dahil long travel ang peg. And then, ayun na nga, hindi ako pag gusto kong matulog, si Lily ay ayaw niya nang matulog ulit. So far, si Mati, hindi naman siya problema na, no? 4, okay na pala magbiyahe yung bebe. Hindi na masyadong, makulit. Yung 2 talaga yung pinakamakulit. Grabe si Lily. Anong tawag nun? Nakakawala siya ng energy kasi lagi siyang punta dito, punta doon, kahit saan siya mapadpad. So, malapit na yung ating boarding time. Punta na tayo sa ating gate. And last flight going to Poland. Nakakamiss, but na-excited na naman ako. And here's the flight information. Ang dalawang batuta. Oh, hold your sister hand. Hold your sister hand. So, go. And
I'm gonna go to
go. Don't run. Agoy, don't run. Good. Okay, daga na lang para maglakaw. Dapat pala baliktaron ni sila. Oh, no. Be careful, Mati.
going to Poland.
You have my phone there?
Hey! What you call a phone?
Ngayon lang pala talaga ako naka-vlog. Kasi nga after ng is nalubat na yung aking camera. And then, alam nyo na, ang dami kong edik. Tapos si Tata busy din, so hindi ako makapag-kuha ng Hirap talaga pag mag-flight. And then, hindi ako makakuha sa aking power bank. Oh, si makulit girl. And ngayon pala, pagdating natin, kasama natin si Kuya Alex. O, diba? Wala pa kaming tulog. Darating na si Alex na naman mamaya.
Go, drink.
What happened to you, Lily? Siya daw magdadala. Come on. Buda to. Chuchu. Bakit mo daw siya iniwan, Chacha? Wow. Ice cream, yummy. Ice cream. Oh, Flu Cafe. Hindi kami nagkafe kasi nga pumunta kami doon. kinain ko yung limpo namin kahapon is despedida dinner kami. Kami lang good, kami na tatlo. Help me! Kami tatlo ni Rowena at saka ni Agnes. Tapos tatlo man yung in-order ko, dalawa lang yung nakain namin. So yung isa, dinala ko. Tapos ayun, kinain ko. Hello guys! We're here.
Dlaczego idziesz tutaj na polski?
Nie, zaraz
I
zostaniesz.
know you're speaking Polish. Huh?
Tata, dlaczego idziemy do Polski?
Dlaczego?
I know you're speaking Polish, Mati. Speak Bisaya.
I don't like Lola. Tata,
You're
nie
not
lubię
nice.
babcia.
I will not bring you back there in Philippines.
To pojedziesz do dziadka.
I will be the one to go back.
Nie lubię dziadka.
Jesteś zmęczony i wiesz, że zostaniesz tutaj bez nas, wiesz? Jak wtedy się mówił. Zmęczony jesteś.
So,
To jest fajne.
Chyba nie
dito
jest.
tayo sa floor ngayon. Kasi si Lily nandoon din. Oh. Doon din si Lily. Nangapit bahay ang batuta.
Chyba nie jest.
Bo zostajesz.
Ora ko na yung naon, haggard na.
Bo nie jest. Bo nie jest grzeczny.
So,
Bułeczkę?
what do you order? I ordered chicken and sausage. And we have here a lot of food. Look. Si Martin hindi kumain. Kasi kakagising niya lang. And then I think after 2 hours, bababa na tayo. Buti na lang natulog si Lady for whole flight. Nakita niya ako binigyan ng laban. Nakatulog din ako konti. Like mga 2 to 3 hours. Lily is here. Lily, what do you want to say? Hello. Morning. What did you eat for breakfast? No, not to mouth. No, it's not lipstick. Kiling bata ajil. Mati is eating frozen. And hindi namin kinain yung aming mga pagkain. Kunti lang kinain ko kasi hindi lasang Pilipinas. Nanibago na naman. Pero hindi ako gutom. Uminom ako ng Coca-Cola. Para mo siga ang mata. No, Mati? Wow!
Mówiłem ci.
Si Mati marunong mag-invento. Mati is inventing, you know. Since Tata is... Help him. Look, he put that.
Bez chwilę jest jeszcze. Mówię mu, żeby jadł raz to.
So you're not gonna help him since he's not... About you, girl. What is it? What are you doing there, Barbie?
Mati broke that.
Where?
Wow.
Mati broke that? Why Mati broke it? Where is the broken? Where's the broken? Kuya Mat is just eating. So we have 4 plates. Kasi nga kami na lahat dito. Kaya meron na to siyang chair na sa kanila. You have your own chair, right? But you're still sleeping in Mama lap. Oh. Why are you sleeping on my lap? You already have your own chair. You can sleep on your own chair. You understand? Don't eat. He drink only milk. She, I mean. She's not a he. She's a she. Later. Very excited. Hey, what happened to your hair? Why it's standing? Kaya na pa yan? 6:40 in the morning.
Tata's here. Here's Tata's here. Here's Tata.
You need to wait, man.
Tata.
back to Warsaw. Kakalaan lang namin.
After 4 months.
After 4 months, we're in Poland again. Yan, from December 6. What day?
It's my longest trip.
What day today?
29.
Today is 29. And last March 20, last December 5 kami pumunta sa Pilipinas, and then ngayon is March 20. Look, we have a newborn here, Bugdul. Very acting like a baby for the whole flight. Yes? Okay, hug mama. Dali. Okay, come. Come and hug mama na. So, Mati is very, very loud from our flight from Qatar to Poland, and he's acting like a baby. And then what else? He all the time say, oh. He's acting like a dog sometimes. See what he's doing right now. Hindi kasi siya nakatulog ng maayos. Buti pa tong isa. The other one is here. Don't kiss that, girl. Don't kiss. So, naghahintay kami sa aming luggage,
Mama,
guys.
give me this for
And
my
then,
No, for the Christmas.
it's my gift for Tata.
For Christmas.
What happened to you? So, oh my God.
Oh, this is mine.
Hala. Not funny, Mati.
Isn't it that funny? You're gonna slide!
Hello. Hello.
Zamknięte.
Guys, nandito na kami sa bahay. Ay, kakarating lang namin.
Przyjechaliśmy.
Yung
Za
aming,
Bolta zapłaciłem 120.
nandito. And finally, nandito na tayo. Labad sa ulo, 30 hours travel.
How are you?
Happy. We're in our home sweet home.
Home sweet home.
Iba talaga kung
Pogoda bardzo fajna.
saan yung bahay mo. Doon ang... Get inside.
Wow.
What's that smell?
Yeah! One house.
Play
Blue house.
Now we can go upstairs.
Yeah.
Fix your shoes first, Mati.
Lily.
That is
Pierwsze
right.
spostrzeżenie to
Get your backpack, Mati.
ogrzewanie działa w domu. To
Go
jest
up.
ważne.
I think they are.
Idę włączyć prąd. Znaczy prąd.
Our messy home sweet home.
Messi.
Yay!
No!
We're back. What happened to our house? After 4 months.
Not a baby. How about
You're not a baby?
No.
Ano na siya dahil naman, you're not a baby daw.
Christmas tree.
Oh, our Christmas tree is still out.
My trampoline. Mama.
Oh,
Mama, my trampoline.
yay! Mati
My
trampoline!
My
Hindi pa yan
trampoline,
sa
Mama. Mama.
mga bebe.
I have a
May
trampoline.
tatlong bebe. Yeah? Is it recording?
Mama, I have a trampoline.
Trampoline?
Yeah.
Okay. Guys, so happy. I am back. And here's our kitchen. Oh, what happened, Marile? Papi? Ah, it's your puppy! Guys, mag-prepare muna ako sa bahay. Sulanas, and then pahinga konti. And then ngayon pala is nagtawag ako kay Ate Nieva na nandito na kami. And sabi ko nga baka gusto niyang pumunta. Pwede siyang pumunta kasi ay no, hindi rin naman to matutulog yung mga batos. And sabi nga niya is pupunta siya mamaya. Yay! So, see you guys later. Hi guys! Welcome back. Meme is here.
Hello, hello!
So, ito na nga. Papagwapahan daw ko niya
Yes.
Kasi yung aking mukha daw ay para nang si Lola.
Mag-ano tayo, facial.
So, mag-facial kami. Hindi ko alam ano yung procedure. But ito na nga yung kanyang mga products.
What you want?
What's Atomy?
The TV is not working.
The TV is not working.
You turn on the TV to your tablet.
I don't even know how to turn on.
You don't know. You need to go to the course.
Okay.
Ito siguro lagay natin yung isa pa para medyo ano. Okay, sige ma'am.
Okay.
Alright. Naghugas naman ako ng kamay.
Sige,
So
okay.
it should be clean and all. Let's start with the deep cleanser. O sige, habang nag-facial tayo, so chika-chika na lang. Kamusta ang Pilipinas, ma'am? So this is deep cleanser para lang yung mga impurities matanggal. Parang kunwari, if you have, pag nagme-makeup ka, so yan, makatanggal sa ano. Yan, tignan natin. Kamusta ang Pilipinas? Na-miss mo ang Poland, ma'am?
Yeah, I miss Poland so much.
Oh, at least, ikaw ang nagdala ng sunshine kasi pagdating mo, mainit, uminit.
Mau ba? Karoon na rin ikaw, eh?
Oo, kasi ilang araw na na malamig. Kahapon, malamig eh. But today, sunny. So nice. Sabihin mo sa akin kung may hapde or anything. But this is very mild kasi all natural yung ingredients, ma'am.
So, how many times you are going to use this?
So ito,
Like every week?
daily, pwede mong gawin to daily. Kasi para siyang
Mainit
ano
lagi
eh.
to. Ah,
Parang ano siya eh. Hindi, yung tubig mainit kasi nga nilagyan ko maligamgam.
kaya pala
Nagme-makeup ka.
bumata kami, me.
Oo, parang binanat na yung face. O, diba? Kasi kailangan naman, ma'am, self-love.
Oo.
Kailangan talaga. Kahit may mga stress tayo sa buhay, kailangan pretty pa rin tayo.
Gayahin nyo si Meme. Huwag nyo ako gayahin, guys.
Hindi.
Na-stress na.
May mga stress din ako, pero syempre, laban lang tayo sa buhay. Kaya yung iba mo mga vlogs, hindi ko pinapanood. Stress ako, may manood.
Ang sa ito gano'n, pinablog ko pa lahat ng stress ko. Nasali na tuloy kayo.
Hindi, pero minsan naman kasi maganda din yan kasi napupulutan din ng aral.
Oo.
Kasi it could be na nangyayari din sa iba, they don't know how to handle it, but because nag-share ka, so at least, din tayo, mapupulutan din natin ng
Lesson.
lesson. So, next na natin, ma'am, is foam cleanser.
Foam clean.
Oh, ito na
cleanser.
yung, yes.
Update you guys later.
Dry na lahat.
Oo, dry na.
Okay. So, dali na. Dito tayo mag-start sa ilalim. Kamusta ang feeling?
Kasi ito gano'n nag-lip ako.
Nag-firm. Ayan. Ito naman, kahit mga twice a week mo lang, ma'am, gamitin.
Para siyang plastic, Mimi, no?
Yes, ayan.
Ang ganda. Ang ganda mo.
Oh.
Oh. Sarap. Sarap sa pakiramdam na yun.
Yes. Oh, sige.
Kalami. Kalami. Kalami sa feeling eh.
Oh. Wow.
Oh,
Yan,
diba?
nice. Oh.
Nice, ma'am.
Oo. Nag-firm siya.
Thank you,
Ayan.
ma'am.
Oh, tapos hindi pa yan tapos.
Ay,
Meron
pa
tayong
tatapos?
next process.
Ay, meron pa pala.
May
Ang
next
galing.
process tayo. We're gonna
Ang
put
ganda,
some...
ma'am. Parang nag-ano
Oo.
yun.
Parang nag-lift at moisten yung face. Oh, diba? Oh,
Ano age limit ng ampule?
ayan.
Wala siyang age limit.
Wala naman. Of course, like, you should be like 18 and above to use it. But
Okay.
kaya sa atin na we are in our late 20s. Ikaw pala, hindi ako. So, pwede na tayo mag-ampule. Yung ampule naman, kahit hindi mo naman yan gawin daily. Let's say mga 3 times a week.
Ay, so nandito na yung ating mukha para ng salamin sim. Napaka-shiny. Oo. Okay na siya. Mas okay na siya tignan.
Oo. Nag-lift siya.
Nag-lip, oo. Nagba-bright yung kanyang result.
Yeah.
Look. So, magja-try ako. Mag-order tayo kay Meme.
Hello.
Then, Meme have a lot of products right now.
Yes.
So, try natin.
Ini-encourage ko siya na mag-venture into this kasi maganda naman siya.
Yeah.
Oo. Especially na pag natapos na yung resort niya, magkakaroon na tayo ng Dudkovsky Spa.
Advanced talaga to si...
Oo. Diba? Pupunta ako ng Dumaguete, ako ang magpe-facial.
Sige. Kita niyo yung mukha ni Meme? Alagang ano yan? Atomy.
Atomy. Yes.
Hindi na siya Meme. Like, ang dami niyang wrinkles dati. Ngayon na niya siya.
Diba?
Parang na wala.
Oo. Yes.
So, i-try natin guys. And then, we will do the vlog para makita niyo yung result from my
from day
face. From day one. Ito ngayon yung kanyang facial niya ako kanina. Ang pangit kasi ng yung skin kasi may puti-puti.
It could be kasi din na dry siya.
Oo, na-dry. Sobrang.
Pero kanina, ma'am, nung bago tayo mag-facial, obvious talaga siya. Tapos ngayon, at least pag ginawakan mo siya, parang smooth na. Tapos parang nagnipis na. Nagnipis. Oo.
So maganda. Makapal talaga yung mukha ko kanina. Ngayon,
maganda na siya.
Manifest na siya.
Diba?
So, dapat pag maglagay tayo ng headband dito lang para hindi masyado.
Ayan, sexy.
So, see you. Thank you, Meme.
Thank you din.
Yeah,
Hi,
thank
guys.
you so much. So, i-check natin yung product.
Maganda yun siya, kasi nag-glow talaga yung skin mo na.
Oo.
Diba? Yeah.
Iba yung ang skin mo kaysa sa akin, ma'am.
Hindi. Yung sa'yo naman, kasi brown skin tan ka ngayon, pero it's
mo
still,
yung skin ni Meme,
Oo. Dahil nga,
tingnan nyo the difference.
Hindi kasi nga, di ba, winter kasi dito. Kaya syempre, galing ka Pilipinas, mainit sa Pilipinas.
Nakikita ko na yung mukha ni Daria sa'yo.
Di ba?
Oo.
Si Daria.
Ang ganda ng skin niya. Ang ganda din yung skin
sa'yo
mo.
din. Oo, kaya nga So, kaya self-love tayo, Meme.
Yeah, self-love.
Kahit may mga stress tayo, kailangan pretty pa rin tayo.
Okay.
Yes.
Sige. Thank you, ma'am. Try natin yung product.